Hey everybody, I'm here today in one of our 2020 Land Rover Discoveries, and I'm going to be showing you how you can adjust the cameras on the screen to tell if you're good enough on each side and when you're backing up and parking, if you're in the lines and have enough space. So let's say I'm backing up, I stick it into reverse, start backing up, there's the camera, back, then park. I can actually go in here, hit the camera button, and it'll pull up. So right now it's on 360. I don't know if you can see that. But then also if we go into camera, it pulls up a screen. So I can go front, back, and then we also have the sides. So if I hit it again, I'll go the front, sides, and then back. So let's say I want to line up the fronts and everything. It'll be just like that. And this has been another episode of Adam's Tech Tip Tuesdays, Land Rover edition. Till next time.
PA's #1 Ford store, Twin Pine Ford.